What's up, everybody? Today we got this here Whirlpool. Just your basic Whirlpool. We're gonna tear it down here and see what's going on. Actually, don't think there's anything wrong with it. Hey, they left us some lint. How thoughtful. It's just what I wanted. Was more lint. Take out these two screws. Yeah, I don't know if this one works or not, but we're gonna see. I can't imagine there being too much wrong with it. If anything, I think this one works, but all right. Pull the drum. Well, this one ain't bad, but this one's not good. So let's fix it. How do I find those every time? You guys notice that? I'm just all like relentless, just, you know. I'm totally reckless with that. I still find them. It's okay if I don't find them, I have extras. But would you guys buy a tool? If I made a tool that took these triangle things off, super easy, would you buy it? I don't know if I'm gonna sell them, but I think I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna make one for me at least and use it for a while. Have some ideas. So I hate taking these things off. Alright, we got a bunch of hair on this one here. All right, let's go back together. Plug this back in, clean the bearings, everything's hooked up. Let's check the back. Now I already took off a lot of these screws earlier, so The heat element's grounded out. Well, well, well. Look at that. Grounded out heat element. And then you get that guy. I got a little bit of lint I pulled out of there. Well, let's vacuum it and we'll fix that up. Put a new heat element in it. Don't do that. Got the normal. I don't know if you guys can see that just right there. There's just one little dot right there. And I can see right here, there's one little clean spot. Like right there. Right above my finger. So this thing just warped over and bent over and touched it. Just gave it a little touch there. So then the heat element never turns off. It just runs the whole time the dryer's on. And then it blows fuses like this, and instead of people fixing the problem because they don't know how to test it, they do silly stuff like this. And then I don't know what. I mean, I guess it's a good thing we have guardian angels. Yeah, see, this thing's blown. So we need a thermal fuse. And let's put some new ends on this wire here. Got some new terminal ends. Alright, we got a new one here. New thermal fuse here, and then I got a new heat element. I'm gonna have to buy some more heat elements. Straight up out of heat elements. Need to sell some dryers or something. Alright, no more touching. No more inappropriate touching from this one. That's the thing, you know, about these machines is if you're getting machines for free or cheap from people, you never know when they're doing crap like that to them. So it's not a bad idea to have me or somebody come over and take a look at some stuff, you know, make sure that things are safe. Because we're not dealing with, you know, this stuff's dangerous. You know, people do weird stuff. Sometimes they do it to this one. This one's even worse because this one, if this one blows, the heater won't work. When this one blows, the motor won't work. Put all these back in and then we'll test it and see what happens. New thermal fuse, new heat element. Oh, come on. Why? Haven't done that in a while. So, I totally off camera just went ahead and took that back apart, I promise, and didn't just go grab this screw out of the pile over there. Trust me. Alright, see if it works. It's nice and quiet. Heat element turned off, so right on. Well, I run some laundry through it. Thanks for watching.